Hello, and thanks for joining me for these Good Times on a Dime travel tips. If you haven't already seen the full Iceland episode on my YouTube page, please check that out for excellent tips on how to save money, where to go, what to eat, where to stay, cool parks to check out. And that is available right here where you are watching on my YouTube page. So this tutorial is about water and how to maximize your money in regards to water while you're traveling in Iceland. A lot of people want their creature comforts of their home country, and they're worried about the quality of the water where they travel. Iceland is a country where you don't have to worry about that at all. All you need is a water bottle or a water container, and you can fill up at your hotel, your hostel, your campsite, or if you're roughing it and staying in a camper, you just fill up at different parks and different rest stops. The water is clean. They have pristine water in Iceland. It is wonderful to drink. It is completely clean. And you do not need to spend any money on bottled water. 100% do not need to spend money on bottled water. Save that money, go on a boat trip, get ice cream every day, get some really good food. Do other good things with that $50 to $100 that you'll save. Maybe more if you're traveling for a longer period of time. So again, yes, have a great time while you're there. Don't worry about the water. Don't worry about the drinking water. Of course, don't fill up at any of the geysers or hot springs. That's not really going to be so good. But if you have common sense, you'll know where to fill up your water bottles. So thanks for joining me for this quick little tutorial and these tips. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great time in Iceland, and I will see you for the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.